is up for now. We'll now go to Mr. Johns for 2.5 minutes, please.
Thank you. Last week, the BC Court of Appeal once again affirmed that the Five Nations, Nuu-chah-nulth Nations Aboriginal right is a high priority in their court case. Will the department, and this is to Ms. Reid, recognize the priority of the nation's right and its importance to the economic and social well-being of their fishing communities and our West Coast economy, instead of continuing to fight the Five Nuu-chah-nulth Nations in court?
I think it is.
Sorry, you're not on mute, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Johns. We do recognize the court-defined right by those Five Nations. Yes, we do.
So recognizing the importance of last week's BC Court of Appeal decision, what actions will the department be taking for the 2021 fishing season to increase the allocations of Chinook, coho, and other species in keeping with the priority of the Five Nations Aboriginal right and a generous approach to Chinook and coho specifically? And what recommendations will you be bringing to the minister?
So we are still reviewing the court decision, of course, as you know, and we are also undergoing negotiations with the Five Nations from a reconciliation perspective. They do have a fishery management plan in place now for their rights-based fishery.
So even in times of low returns, do you agree that if any fishing takes place, the First Nations Aboriginal rights fisheries have priority after conservation? And also, do you agree that this priority includes the rights-based economic fisheries of the Five Nuu-chah-nulth Nations, as the courts have stated?
So the rights priority would follow conservation. There's FSC that needs to be taken into account and treaty rights, but yes, those are the priorities that we are managing.
Okay, thank you.